Hi children, today we are going to see chapter 5. We already see in our video class exercise 5.1 and half of 5.2. Today we are going to see remaining sums, remaining Romans in 5.2. Okay ma? Okay ma? Already you know in factors and multiples, properties of multiples, you know, every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6 only. So every number is a multiple of 1. Then the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Yes, the smallest multiple of a number. Suppose you are taking number 5. So do you know the multiples of 5? So which is the smallest multiple of number 5 means the number itself. 5 only the smallest multiple of the number. Okay, then every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. For example, I am taking number 4. So what are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, likewise it will go. So see, the first multiple 4 is equal to the number. Otherwise, see the remaining multiples, it goes like that, 8, 12, 16, like that. A number is greater than. So greater than or equal to the number of multiples of 4. Okay, then multiples of any number are infinite. Yes, do you know what is the last multiple of 4? Do you know that last multiple of 4? Otherwise, do you know the last multiple of 25? No. Why? Because numbers are infinite. So we don't know which is the last multiple of any number. So multiples of any number are infinite. Okay, Kana? Right. Now today we are going to see in exercise 5.2 that remaining sums. Okay. Okay ma, we have seen exercise 5.2 we completed. The Romans are 1 to 5 we completed. Then 8th Roman and 9th Roman we already completed. Then we have a pending of Roman number 6. Before we are entering to the Roman number 6, you have to know the rule of divisibles. Today we are going to see the divisibility rules. Okay. What is the rule? A number is divisibility rule for 2. Any number divided by 2 means divisible by 2 means we have some rule. So any number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place is divisible by 2. Okay, for example, 786. So without full division, that means your normal division, how we can find out easily this number will be divided by 2 or not means we have to check the ones place. In a ones place, if you have a number, that number will be divisible by 2 means that whole number will be divisible by 2. See here, in a ones place we have 6. So 6 divided by 2, what will come? How many times 2 will come? 3 times. So this number is divisible by 2. That means this 786 will divisible by 2. This is a divisibility rule of 2. Okay, one more time I will explain you. If they gave any number, you have to check with 2 means that number will be divisible by 2 or not means you have to check the ones place of the number. In a ones place, suppose if you have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means that number will be divisible by 2, means that a whole number will be divided by 2. This is the rule of divisibility 2. Okay ma. Then the divisibility rule of 4. A number is divisible by 4. Any number is divisible by 4 if the number formed the digits in the tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Tens and ones place is divisible by 4. See, for example, I am taking 612. 612. So what is the rule? The number is divisible by 4 or not, means here you have to check the both places, ones place and tens place. In ones place and tens place together you have 12. So 12 will be divided by 4, means this whole number will be divisible by 4. So how many times, how many 4s are there in 12? 3 4s are 12. Is it or not? So this 12 is divisible by 4, means therefore the whole number 612 is divisible by 4. Okay ma? This is a rule of 4. In a rule of 2, you have to check the ones place number only. In a ones place number is divisible by 2, means that the whole number will be divisible by 2. A rule of 4 is you have to check the tens place and ones place together. Tens place and ones place you have 12. So that number is divisible by 4, means this whole number will be divisible by 4. So 2 rules are over. Then next one. Sorry. These rules are, I will send through classroom app. You have to copy from that. Okay. Then next rule, divisible by 8. Any number divisible by 8. So what is the rule? If the number formed by the digits in the hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8, then that whole number will be divisible by 8. See, I will prove it by through example. 79,512. This number will be divisible by 8 or not. How we can find it? We have to take the 3-digit number. Ones, tens, 100. Together you have to take it. So 512. You have to check it by 8. This number will be divisible by 8 or not. So how many times it will come in 51? 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. 6 times it will come, no? 6 8s are 40. Then remaining 3 is there. So 32. 4 8s are 32. So that means this number will be divisible by 64. Therefore, this whole number 79,512 divisible by 8. Now we check it. Okay, Kana? 2 means you have to check the ones place only. 4 you have to check ones with tens place. 2-digit number you have to take and check it. For 8 you have to take 3-digit place. Ones, tens, 100. 3 places you have to take it and check it by 8, means that the whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, Kana? Then next rule, a number is divisible by 3. What is the rule? If a number, any number divisible by 3 or not, how we can find out? For example, I will give you one number, 513. 513. So what is the rule for this 3? Means the sum of the digits divisible by 3, means this whole number will be divisible by 3. Okay, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, what is the sum of the digits here? Sum of the digits are 5 plus, sum means it's addition, is it or not? 5 plus 1 plus 3. So sum of the digit is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Now I am going to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. 9 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9. So this number will be divisible by 3. That means this whole number, therefore this 513 is divisible by 3. Okay, Kanna, sum of the digits, you have to add the sum of the digits and you have to check with 3 means whether the number is divisible by 3 means the whole number will be divisible by 3. If it is not means no. Okay, then the next rule is 9. Next rule is 9. Any number divisible by 9 means what is the rule? Here also sum of the digits. For example, 5463. 5463. So sum of the digits divisible by 9 means the whole number will be divisible by 9. So 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 4 10 ma, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 3 18. Now I am going to check the sum of the digits divisible by 9 or not. So how many times it will come? 2 9s are 8. Therefore the whole number, this 5463 will be divisible by 9. Okay, so 3 and 9, that both rules are same only. 3 also we have to sum of the digits, take the sum of digits and divisible by 3. Like that for 9 also we have to take the sum of the digits and the sum is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, ba. Then the next rule is divisible by 5. It's very easy. Any number divisible by 5 or not. How we can find it? For example, I will give you one number 1835. 1835 and another number 1200. What is the rule? You have to check the ones place only. In your ones place, if you have 0 or 5, the number must be divisible by 5. The number definitely divisible by 5. This is the rule of 5. Okay, ma. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit is the ones place is 5 or 0 or divisible by 5. Okay, very easy, no? Right. Then like that, any number divisible by 10. 10 also very easy only. What is the rule for 10? In a ones place, the digit has 0. The digit in the ones place is 0. Then the whole number will divisible by 10. For example, see, in a ones place you have 0. That means this whole number will divisible by 10. It's very easy only, no? 5 means you have to check the ones place. In a ones place, if you have 5 or 0, the whole number will be divisible by 5. For 10, in a ones place, if you have 0, the whole number will be divisible by 10. Okay, then the next rule is 11. Any number divisible by 7. What is the rule? If the difference between the 11 only, no, I put 7. If the difference between the digits in the odd and even place is equal or divisible by 11, equal to 0 or divisible by 11. See, I will give you one example, then only you can understand. 93808. So what is the rule for 11 means the difference between the odd number place and even digits, the difference is 0, or that number will be divisible by 11 means this whole number will be divisible by 11. Okay. So first I am writing the odd places and even places, odd digits and even digits. So first place is the odd one, even, odd, even, odd. Okay, so sum of the, we have to know the difference between the sum of odd places and even numbers, even places. Okay, so sum of the odd places, sum of odd digits. So sum of means first we have to add the numbers, 9 plus 8 plus 8. So 9 also stands in odd place, 8 also stands in odd place, one more 8 is also stands in odd place. So 9 plus 8 plus 8, what will come? 24, 25, 25. Then sum of even digits, sum of even digits. What is the sum of even digits? 3, 0. Only two places are there. So 3 plus 0. So what will come? 3. Now we have to find the difference between the odd digits and even digits. So difference means we are going to subtract it. So 25 minus 3. What will come? 25 minus 3? 22. Then afterwards, what is the rule? Sum of the odd and even places, difference is 0. First condition is 0. Here no 0, or else otherwise the number will be divisible by 11 means the whole number will be divisible by 11. So now we get 22, no? So divisible by 11 means how many times it will come? 2 11s are 22. Yes, this number is divisible by 11. Okay, pa? Do you understand or not? Are you clear? Right. Then next rule is we are going to check any number is divisible by 7 or not. What is the rule? Any number divisible by 7. If the difference twice the digits in the ones place, twice the digits in ones place. Listen, for example, I will give you 3248. 3248. If the difference twice the digit in the ones place and the rest of the number is divisible by 7. Okay, first what you have to do, twice the number of in ones place. In a ones place we have 8, twice means we have to multiply by 2. So 8 2s are 16. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, Kena. Then if the difference we have to take it for the rest of the number is divisible by 7. Difference means we have to subtract this number from the remaining number. Rest of the numbers means remaining places. So 324 minus 16. What will come? 324 minus 16. What will come, Kanna? 14 minus 6, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 3. So 308. What is the difference? 308. Now we have to check this 308 is divisible by 7 or not. 308 divisible by 7. So in 30 how many 7s are there? 4 7s are 28. So remaining 2 is there. Again we joined here means again 28. So again 4 times it will come. So 44. So this 308 is divisible by 7. That means therefore 3248 is divisible by 7. Okay Kanna? These are the divisibility rules. Now according to these rules we are going to apply these rules and do the 6th Roman. Okay, right. See 6th Roman. Exercise 5.2. 6th Roman. Without actual division, determine whether the first number is divisible by the second number. We are using the divisibility rule and do these sums. Okay, see. This number is divisible by this 4 or not. Without actual division, using the divisibility rule, we are going to find out this number will be divided by 4 or not. Okay, so what is the rule for 4 ma? We have to take the 2-digit number, 1's place and 10's place. These two numbers we have to take it. Okay, so 16 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, 4 4s are 16. Therefore this whole number 1,65,216 is divisible by 4. Okay, right. Then in the same Roman D1 17,217 3. So what is the rule for 3? The sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means that whole number will be divisible by 3. Right, first we have to find the sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7. 2 7s are 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 divided by 3, how many times it will come? 6 times it will come. Therefore the whole number 17,217 is divisible by 3. Okay Kanna? Do you understand? Right. Then C1 they gave number 8, divisibility rule of 8. C1. So what is the rule for 8? We have to take the 3 digits, 1s, 10s, 100, 3 digits together, and that number is divisible by 8 or not. We have to check it. So 332 divided by 8, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. 7 times it will come, no? 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are means it goes to 64, but here we have 63 only. So 7 times it will come, remaining. So 9 8s are 72. Okay. So 79 times it is divided 632 is divisible by 8. That means therefore this whole number 18,632 is divisible by 8. Okay. Then in the same Roman, H1, H sum. So these divisibility rules are very useful to us. For the biggest number, if they gave means we can do it very easily. We can save the timing also. See, one more time I will write the number. So what is the rule for 11 ma? The difference between the sum of odd places and even places, isn't it or not? So odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Okay, sum of the odd places. Sum of the odd places. What are the odd places? Odd places are odd digits. So what is the sum of the odd places? 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. What will come? 7 plus 3, 10, 12, 13. Then sum of the even places. Sum of the even places are even places are 7 plus 3 plus 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So now we are going to find the difference between the places. That is the rule, no? We have to find the difference. So 13 minus 11. What is the difference, Kana? 13 minus 11, 2. Now, what is the rule? The difference is 0 or that number is divisible by 11 means that the whole number will be divisible by 11. But here you have the difference is 2 only. So first condition they gave 0, that is not applicable here. So no. Then second rule they gave that number will be divisible by 11 means that whole number will be divisible by 11. But 2 is not divisible by 11. So therefore you have to write no. No, this whole number is not divisible by 11. Is not divisible by 11. Okay, ma. So the sixth Roman is over. So in your sixth Roman, without they gave any rules in our book, they gave some sums 12 and 15 and all. That all too much of your level. You will see that kind of sums in your sixth standard. Okay, pa. Then the seventh Roman also, they gave fill in the smallest digits to make these numbers divisible by 3. That seventh Roman, you will do your book itself. You can do your book itself. Otherwise, seventh Roman, I will give you some sums. So what is the rule for seventh Roman, ma? Fill in the smallest digit to make these numbers divisible by 3. So you have to check the sum of the numbers. I will tell you only one sum. Say 63, seventh Roman. Seventh Roman, we are going to check it any number divisible by 3 or not. We have to fill with smallest number. Smallest number. See, the first sum they gave 63. 63, here they gave dash only, we only fill that number. Okay, what is the rule for 3? Sum of all digits. Is it or not? Sum of the digits. See here, the sum of the digits is 6 plus 3. We don't know which number we have to write here. See, first you check this number. 6 plus 3 means 9 will come. So 9 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it will divisible by 3 times. So that means, what is the smallest number to here? 0 only. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 0, 9 only. So therefore the smallest number is 0. Okay, Kanna? So likewise, you have to, no need to write this kind of sums in your class work note. You have to write your book itself. It's very easy only. One word answer only. Okay. One more sum I will teach you. 345. B1. 345. See, the sum of the places, what will come? Sum of the places are next number they gave dash. 3 plus 4 plus 5. What will come? 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here also you fill with 0 only, because sum of the remaining numbers it comes 12. So we divided by 3 means, is it possible? So what is the smallest number? 0 only for the second sum also. Likewise, we will do the remaining sums. Right. The next one, prime factors already we have seen. Then find all the factors. 9th Roman also we already completed. Now we are going to see the 10th Roman. Find the factors of the following pairs. 10th Roman we are going to see now. Common factors. Okay, see here they gave the sums 18, 24. We have to find the common factor of this 4. First I am going to write the factors of 18. So in what are the factors? 1 and a number itself, definitely it's a factor of all numbers. So 118 is 18. So 1 and 18, these two numbers are factors of 18. Then 2 9s are 18. Isn't it or not? 2 9s are 18. Then 3 table also will come, 6 table also it will come, no? 3 6 are 18. That's all. These are the factors of 18. Then 24. In 24, what are the factors? 124 is 24. So 1 and a number itself, always it's a factor. Then in 2 table, 2 12s are 24. Then in 3 table also it will come, 3 8s are 24. Then 4 table also it will come, 4 6 are 24. So these are the factors. That's all. Hereafter, no factors for 24. Now what we have to do, write the all factors of these numbers. Listen. Factors of 18 are factors of 18 are 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 9 and 18. Likewise, factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Okay, now we are going to find the common factors. So what are the common factors? 1 is a common factor, 2 also common factor, 3 also common factor, then no 4, then 6 also common factor, then 8, 12, nothing, that's all. Therefore, common factors are common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, Kana? You have to find the common factor means first you have to write the factors of the both numbers, then we have to find the common factors of that both number. Okay, do you understand? Right. Then the next Roman, 11th one, 11th Roman. Eleventh Roman is make a factor of each number. Make a factor of factor tree. Make a factor tree. Eleventh Roman is factor tree. How we can draw the factor tree? Listen. 120. Now we are going to find the factor tree for this number. We have to take the prime numbers only first. Okay, see in a 2 table, how many times it will come? The 2 table means 6 2s are 12, then 0. So 60 into 2. Okay, then hereafter we cannot find the factor for this 2, is it or not? Then for 60, again you take the 2 table, how many times it will come? 3 2s are 6, 0. Again we can split this 30 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 5 is there, sorry 1 is there, again 5 2s are 10, 15. Again we can split this 15 with the 3 table only. Here after 2 table is not possible. So how many times? 3 5s are 15. Is it or not? That's all. So the factor tree of the 120 is, see these are the numbers. How many times? 1 2 3 2s are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. If you multiply these all numbers means you will get this 120. Okay ma. So in your factor tree they gave 2 sums only. So I explained this sum, one more sum you can try. Okay. Then which of these numbers are divisible by 7? The 12th Roman. It's the last one. 12th Roman is which of these numbers are divisible by 7? This is also divisibility rule by 7. We are going to use the divisibility rule of 7. See, 133. What is the rule for 7? If the difference between twice the digit in one's place, and the rest of the number is divisible by 7. First I am going to twice the ones place number, that means 3 2s are 6. Then the rest of the number is 13. So difference 13 minus 6, what will come Kana? 13 minus 6, 7. So 7 is divisible by 7 or not? Yes. One time. Therefore the number 133 is divisible by 7. Okay, one more sum Kanna. In the same Roman, 504 B1. See, first you have to twice the ones place number. So 4 2s are 8. Then you have to subtract this number from the rest of the number. So 50 minus 8, what will come? 42. Then how to check this 42 is divisible by 7 or not? How many times it will come? 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 6 times. Therefore, the number 504 is divisible by 7. Okay, so likewise we have to do. So 13 and 14 Romans are leave it. 3 or 5 means which of the following are divisible by 3 or 5 but not 15. So 15 means the same rule only. The number, both numbers will divisible by, that number will divisible by 3 and 5 means that number definitely will divisible by 15 also. 6, divisible of 6 means divisible by 2 but not 6. We didn't write that 6th rule. So this 13th one and 14th one you will see in your 6th standard because they didn't give in your book. Okay ma. So that's all. Our 5.2 is over. Then in our next video class we are going to see the 6th chapter HCF and LCM. Okay ma. Thank you da.